Hey, what's cooking, Jay?
Hello, thanks for joining us again at Gunter's Kitchen. Today we're making apricot dumplings, one of our Austrian specialties, and everyone absolutely loves. The apricots, they're in season now. We're in Australia, it's summer. The ingredients you need is you need quark, you need butter, you need egg, and you need flour and a pinch of salt. For the filling, you need apricots, you need cubed sugar, and we put a little bit of apricot brandy in there. Then we cook them, and at the end we're gonna roast some breadcrumbs with some sugar, and that's what we roll them in, and we dust them with icing sugar, and that's it. Okay, let's start. Okay, so what we do is we put the quark, which is in Austrian Stopfen. It's also called creamed cottage cheese in some places. We put that into the food processor. This one is a bit grainy, so I might let it run for a little bit longer first. Then I'll add the egg and a pinch of salt and the butter. The quantities are in the descriptions, so just check it out. So, yep, perfect. Now we add the flour and we let it run. And that's it. So now we're gonna take it, put a little bit of flour on the bench. We'll take the food processor, take our rubber spatula, and we clean it all out and put it onto the bench. Here we go, all on the bench. And then now we just put it together into one little dough. So now we put that in glad wrap and we let that rest for half an hour. In the meantime, we're preparing our apricots. So we've got the sugar here. Now we've got Marillenknödel, so apricot brandy from Austria. Oh, beautiful. So what we do is I just put some in the cap. Okay? So we leave this here. So now we open the apricots. Just open them. Take the stone out. Use a cube of sugar. Put it in there. Let it absorb. You can see how it absorbs the apricot brandy, and then we close it. And then we do all of them like that. Okay, so our dough has rested. Now let's turn it into portions. So what we do is we roll it a bit longer. We take our slicer and we cut it in half. And then we cut it into 3. Might be a bit big, one of them, but we can always make it a bit smaller when the like this one is a bit large. So anyway, so now let's turn them into dumplings. So what you do is you just do this. Turn them into a big disc. As thin as possible, because really you don't want too much dough. Then hold it, take your apricot and do it around. Yeah? In the meantime, I put a pot on with hot water and salt. So when that starts boiling, we should be finished with our dumplings. So we make them all the same, just like this. And at the end, just squash it together. Yeah? Just squash them together. Yeah? And then you roll them. Put a bit of flour down, and then we'll line them up. And we do them all the same. The dumplings all done. Nice, they're beautifully round. The water is boiling. We're adding salt to the water. And we are putting them in. They take about 15-20 minutes. In the meantime, I've taken breadcrumbs and butter, equal amounts, and then I put about half amount of sugar on it, and we're roasting that through until they get slightly brown. The dumplings are simmering, they're not boiling. Don't let it boil too much. And if it comes to the boil, just turn the temperature down. And at the back, at the same time, we're roasting the breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs with the butter and the sugar. As you can see, they're starting to get nice and brown. And then we'll turn it off and we put it all together. So now the dumplings are done. Let's take them out of the pot onto a plate, because we don't want the water from the pot in the crumbs. So we still want them to be damp, because so the crumbs stick to them. So we grab another plate. So now let's take a dumpling and we just roll it. Here we go. One. Those breadcrumbs, they smell absolutely delicious. So now all it needs is some icing sugar on top. And then we're ready to try them. Here we go. Don't they just look absolutely delicious? Okay, let's cut one in half. Oh, look at that. Not too much dough. Just as I remember them from Austria. Exactly the same. We can taste a little bit of brandy inside. Absolutely delicious. Go, try them, have a go. It's a very easy recipe. When the stone fruit is in season, wherever you are watching, try them. You can also do plums, or you can do strawberries, whatever you like to put in them. Strawberries are available all year round. Just make sure you get real ripe ones. Okay, so as always, follow us, subscribe, like, keep notifications on for the next delicious recipe. And I'll see you soon at Gunter's Kitchen on YouTube. Bye for now.